Hey, Purples! All year, teachers will be using Google Classroom to help you stay organized with your class assignments. So, whether you are attending class in person, making up missing work, or working during an NTI day, Google Classroom is the best way for you to know what assignments you have. Go to classroom.google.com or just click on the waffle in the upper right corner after you've signed into your Chromebook. The waffle gives you access to all your Google tools, and you can arrange them to be convenient for you. Then, click on the classroom icon. To join a class, click on the plus sign in the top right corner. Click Join Class. You'll need the class code from your teacher. These codes should also be on the school website. Be careful entering your code. Capitalization matters. Some teachers may send you an invitation to join their classroom. If they do, just click the Join button for that class. To make it even easier to find your classroom in the future, favorite your class by clicking on the star on your search bar. Once the star turns blue, click Add to Taskbar. All of your teachers should have a Google Classroom for your classes, and this is the primary place you should look to see what assignments and activities have been assigned to you. Although there are several ways you can see assignments in Google Classroom, the safest place to look for assignments for all your classes to make sure you don't miss something is to look in the Classwork tab. Now let's talk about how to turn in assignments. Upon completion of work in Google Classroom, you must correctly submit your work. Click the Turn In button. If you do not click the Turn In button, your work will not show up as completed, and after due dates, your work will show up as late. Do not click the blue Share button. Once the work is turned in, you can no longer make changes to the document. If you feel as your work is incomplete or you want to make changes prior to the due date, you can unsubmit your work. Make the necessary changes and updates, and then click Turn In once more. If you do not click Turn In, after you unsubmitting an assignment, it will say it's missing. Once your assignments have been graded, you can check your grades and teacher comments. To check your grades on assignments turned in through Classroom, click on Classwork, then click View Your Work, and you can see your graded work. If your teacher has left a comment for you, click on the assignment to view their message. Keep in mind, Infinite Campus will show your actual grades for all your classes. Some teachers may allow you to make comments on Google Classroom, while some do not. If you have a question about an assignment or want to make a comment about it, you should send your teacher an email or remind message. Not all teachers see your comments in Google Classroom. For faster communication, send your teacher a message through Remind or email. All teachers should be signed up for Remind. You can check your class syllabus or the BGISD website to access teacher emails. Please be professional when sending emails. State your name, class period, and what problems you may be experiencing. It's always good practice to follow up and check for replies. Keep the lines of communication open. Your teachers will also use Google Meets on some NTI days, and those meeting links can be accessed through your Google Classroom. If you have a smartphone, you can get the Google Classroom app to have Google Classroom with you wherever you go. So have a great year, Purples, with Google Classroom.